Welcome to all of you in Sankalpa Education Pratham classes. I am Sachin Patil, delivered lecture series on derivative or differentiation. Right now we are going with the derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. Now we are going with examples of inverse trigonometric functions, which is depends on the formulas like that one. Sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta. That means you will get the sine inverse sine x. That means theta is replaced by x. You will get the x is here. Cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta. That means cos inverse cos x theta is replaced by x. You will get the x is here. Tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. That means tan inverse tan x is equal to x is here. And cot inverse cot x is equal to x is here. Similarly, you will get the sec inverse sec theta is equal to theta. That means sec inverse sec x is equal to x. And cosec inverse cosec theta is equal to theta. That means cosec inverse cosec x is equal to x is here. That means theta is replaced by x. At that time you will get the derivative, inverse. These are the formulas which on that formula you can perform the following derivatives as a follow. Let us consider examples related to that one. Is nothing but first of all we have to going with the cos inverse cos x cube is here. That means let y is equal to cos inverse cos x cube. That means here this one is an expression which is related to that cos, and you have to get the consideration like that one. Y is equal to cos inverse cos cube is here. Then y is equal to this cos and this cos are cancelled to each other, because according to that formula of cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta is here, and therefore theta is nothing but x cube, and therefore you will get the y is equal to x cube is here. And therefore y is a function of x. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x is taken here, and you will get the dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of x cube? X cube having the derivative is 3x square, and this is your derivative of that function. Similarly, you can perform the derivative of that one. Let y is equal to tan inverse tan root x. Now that root x is nothing but a theta, and therefore you will get the consideration of, according to the formula, tan inverse tan x is equal to x is here, and therefore tan inverse tan root x is nothing but, you will get the consideration of y is equal to root x is here, by using the formula of tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. By using this formula you can get the consideration of this tan and tan inverse and tan are cancelled to each other, and you will get the root x is here. That means theta is nothing but root x is here, and therefore y is equal to root x. Once again, y is the function of root x, y is the function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but dy by dx, and root x having the derivative is 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x is there. Similarly, you can perform the derivatives of these different functions which is considered here, and once again let y is equal to sec inverse sec 4x square plus 5x is here. That means this 4x square plus 5x is a work as a theta, because we have to compare it with sec inverse sec theta. Here theta is nothing but this one, and by using this formula you will get the theta of that one, and therefore y is equal to 4x square plus 5x. And now y is a function of x, and therefore you have to get the derivative of dy by dx is equal to, derivative of this is d dx of 4x square, because it is addition, and therefore according to algebra you can get the consideration of this one, and derivative 4 is a constant taking outside, and x square having the derivative is a 2x, and plus 4 is again taking 5 is here, and this 5 is taking outside, and the derivative of x is equal to 1, and therefore 4 into 2 is 8x plus 5 is here, and this is the derivative of this inverse trigonometric function. Similarly, you can find out the derivative of this ways. Y is equal to cot inverse cot log x is here. That means once again it is compared with cot inverse cot theta, and it is equal to theta, and this theta is nothing but a log x is here. This theta is nothing but a log x is here, and therefore y is equal to log x, and once again y is the function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x is taken here, and therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by x is here, and this is your derivative of that inverse. Sometimes in some examples there will be a formula related to that one, and you first of all think about that formula and put those formula inside that, and you will get the consideration related to that one. Let y is equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. But we know that the formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. It is equal to cos 3 theta is here. And by using this formula, just theta is replaced by x is here, and therefore this is nothing but a cos 3 theta, and therefore y is equal to cos inverse cos 3 x is here. And we know that the cos inverse and cos is cancelled to each other by using the same formula here. 3x is nothing but a theta, and therefore y is equal to 3x is here. And we know that the y is a function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 3 into derivative of x is here. Derivative of x is nothing but a 1, and therefore you will get the 3 into 1, that means 3. This is your derivative of that function. Right now, similarly you can get the consideration of this another example. Let y is equal to sine inverse 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x is here, and once again you will get the consideration of this is one formula here. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta, and by using this formula you will get the consideration of this cos inverse function. And right now we have to get the consideration of this one here. Once again this is nothing but a 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, it is equal to sine 3 theta is here. And by using this formula is most useful inside this derivative. Y is equal to sine inverse sine 3 theta is here, and once again sine inverse sine theta, and sine theta is not here, and sine 3x is here, and by using the consideration of sine inverse and sine cancel to each other, and y is equal to 3x is here, and therefore y is a function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx is equal to once again 3 is here. Similarly you will get the consideration like that one. Another two examples are taken inside this one, and you will get the consideration of this. Tan inverse square root of sec square x minus 1 is here, and let y is equal to tan inverse square root of sec square x minus 1. We know that sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta is here, and therefore you will get the consideration of by using this formula y is equal to tan inverse into square root of tan square x is here, because x is theta is replaced by x is square root of tan square theta, tan square x is nothing but tan x, and therefore tan inverse tan x is here, and y is equal to tan inverse tan x, and therefore tan is cancelled to each other. You will get the y is equal to x. Y is a function of x, therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 is here, and this is a derivative of that one. Once again here you will get the consideration of this is nothing but one formula, and therefore by using that formula you can calculate the consideration of that inverse function. Once again let y is equal to sine inverse 2 sine x into cos x is here. We know that 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. This is one formula we have to use this formula inside that one. You will get the y is equal to sine inverse sine 2x is here, because theta is replaced by x, and therefore you will get the consideration of this one. Sine and sine inverse are cancelled to each other, therefore y is equal to 2x is here, and y is the function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x is nothing but 2 into derivative of x is 1, and therefore you will get the answer is 2 is here. And those are the derivatives related to by using the sum formulas. Similarly, you will get the another consideration is here. Cos inverse 2 cos square x minus x is here, and once again let y is equal to cos inverse 2 cos square x minus 1 is here. Once again 2 cos square theta minus 1, this is one formula related to cos 2 theta once again, and by using this formula cos 2 theta formula, we will get the consideration of this is nothing but y is equal to cos inverse cos 2x is here, because theta is nothing but a x replaced by x, and therefore you will get the consideration of cos inverse and cos are cancelled to each other. Y is equal to 2x. Y is the function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of 1, derivative of x is equal to 1, and you will get the answer is 2. Similarly, you will get the consideration of another one is let once again y is equal to cos inverse cos square x minus sine square x is here. Once again cos square theta minus sine square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. By using this formula, we will get the y is equal to cos inverse cos 2x is here, and once again cos is cancelled to cos, and you will get the y, cos inverse is cancelled to cos, and therefore you will get the y is equal to 2x. Y is the function of x, therefore derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 2 into derivative of x is equal to 1. That means you will get the answer is 2. Similarly, you can calculate the number of derivatives by using those formulas which are related to sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, and inside this you will get the some shuffling of that one, and you will get the formulas related to that particular considerations, and by using those formulae you can calculate the different derivatives related to cos inverse function of this type. And this is your consideration of examples related to the formulae, which is nothing but a sine inverse sine theta is equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta, tan inverse tan theta is equal to tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta, and so on. If you like that video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the next notification related to that lectures. Thank you.